Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Review for You, your go-to channel for unbiased and detailed product reviews. Winter outdoor adventures are thrilling, but they demand the right gear to keep you safe and prepared for whatever Mother Nature has in store. Today, we're taking a closer look at some of the best winter outdoor everyday carry EDC products. From survival essentials to tactical gear, I've curated a list that'll keep you ready for any challenge. Let's get started. First on the list is the LuxMom Survival Kit and First Aid Kit. This compact lifesaver packs 142 essential items, making it a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Let's break it down. It comes with survival tools like a hatchet, fire starter, and a tactical pen that doubles as a glass breaker. On the first aid side, you'll find bandages, antiseptic wipes, scissors, and tweezers. Everything you need for emergencies. What I really love is how portable and well-organized it is. The MOLLE-compatible design lets you attach it to your backpack or belt for quick access. Whether you're hiking, camping, or driving in winter conditions, this kit is a game changer. Next up, we have the EVERLIT 250 Pieces Survival First Aid Kit. It's a comprehensive solution for both medical and survival needs, packed in a durable, waterproof bag. This kit has over 250 items, including an emergency poncho, glow sticks, and a fire starter. On the medical side, it includes bandages, gauze, an emergency blanket, and more. It's designed for group adventures, making it ideal for families or teams. Plus, its rugged construction can withstand tough outdoor conditions. A sudden snowstorm and no shelter. The Go Time Gear Survival Life Tent has you covered. Designed for 2 people, this ultralight emergency tent is made from tear-resistant Mylar material. It reflects 90% of your body heat, keeping you warm in extreme cold. The included 120 decibel whistle and paracord add an extra layer of safety for emergencies. It's lightweight, easy to pack, and incredibly effective, a must-have for unpredictable winter adventures. Now let's talk about fire-starting tools. This pack of waterproof lighters includes a USB rechargeable arc lighter and a refillable butane torch lighter. Let's see how they hold up. The arc lighter is windproof, rechargeable, and eco-friendly, perfect for long-term use. The butane torch lighter produces a strong flame, ideal for quick fire starting even in harsh weather. Both lighters are rated IP56 waterproof, ensuring they'll perform in snow, rain, or other wet conditions. A practical addition to any EDC kit, a reliable knife is essential for winter outings. The Outdoor Edge RazorLite EDC knife stands out with its quick blade replacement system. No tools needed. It includes 6 ultra-sharp, replaceable blades for precise cutting. The non-slip handle ensures a firm grip, even in wet or snowy conditions. Whether it's cutting rope or prepping kindling, this knife is a dependable tool for any task. Simple yet effective, the EVERLIT Mylar thermal blanket uses NASA-grade insulation to retain up to 90% of your body heat. Use it as an emergency tarp, rain poncho, or ground cover. Its compact size fits easily into your pocket or backpack. This lightweight and affordable blanket can truly be a lifesaver in emergency situations. For staying warm and mobile, the TACVASEN men's winter pants are a perfect choice. The fleece lining provides excellent insulation, while the windproof material keeps the chill out. Reinforced knees and multiple pockets make these pants durable and functional. These are ideal for hiking, skiing, or any outdoor winter activity. Next up, we have the Laberna Emergency Sleeping Bag. Designed for maximum warmth, it even includes a head cover for full body protection. Made from ultra-lightweight Mylar material for excellent thermal insulation. The bright orange color ensures high visibility in emergencies. Compact, lightweight, and effective, this sleeping bag is an essential addition to your winter EDC kit. Finally, the military tactical jacket is built to withstand the toughest winter conditions. It's waterproof, windproof, and features 7 pockets for carrying your gear. Axillary vents prevent overheating, while adjustable cuffs block out the cold. Stylish, functional, and durable, this jacket is perfect for any winter adventurer. Last but not least, the 2-pack Winter Neck Gaiter Warmer for men and women. This is an absolute essential for keeping your face, neck, ears, and nose protected in cold, windy, and snowy conditions. Made with high-quality polyester and spandex on the outer fabric and a soft fleece lining on the inside, this neck gaiter provides unmatched warmth and comfort. You can wear it in various ways, whether as a neck warmer, face mask, or even a balaclava or ski mask. Its high elasticity ensures a snug fit for most head sizes, keeping it in place while you enjoy outdoor activities. Whether you're skiing, snowboarding, hiking, or just out for a winter run, this Gaiter is a game changer. Plus, it makes a great gift for anyone who loves winter sports or outdoor activities. So there you have it, 10 of the best winter outdoor EDC products to keep you safe, warm, and prepared for anything. From life-saving survival kits to gear that keeps you comfortable, these products are essential for every winter adventure. Which one of these products impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest reviews. Until next time, stay safe and stay prepared.